Hello dear friends, welcome to the chemistry sessions. Very good morning to everybody. Let us today we are discussing one of the part. This is the bonding, chemical bonding. So this is nothing but see chemical bonding is that in nature of chemical bonding or molecular structure or chemical bonding. So the topic is that the nature of chemical bonding or molecular structure in chemical bonding. So what is the hybridization? So we in this lecture we see this is one of the particular term, that is the hybridization. In previous lecture we have seen this sort of overlapping of atomic orbital sp and pp overlapping. So in this lecture particularly see this is most important part. It is one of the question is compulsory asked in your competitive exam like NEET, JEE and as well as you can this is the CET. So this is one of the part is also most important for the higher education level competitive exam like NET or GATE as well as SET exam. So these are the part of this about the 11 plus 12 standards. One of these on the basis of this is the NET JEE CET exam. So one of the molecules you have given. तो मॉलिक्यूल आपको दिए जाएंगे, उसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन आपको निकालना है. So not only hybridization but in this lecture we will discuss one of the part stability of molecules, stability of the molecules. Second thing is this is about one of these geometry of the molecules, geometry. I say this is the shape of molecules. Then third thing is that this is the hybridization. What is that? I can say this is nothing but hybridization. So hybridization as a short form, we can write this is called HZ. So what is the HZ? So the HZ to calculate on the basis of sigma bond. So number of the sigma bond present in molecule, if 1 sigma or 2 sigma bond is present, if 3 sigma bond is present, if 4 sigma bond is present. So what is the hybridization of molecule? So the hybridization of molecule are sp hybridization. If 2 sigma bond is there, I am asking this about sigma bond, 3 sigma bond, sp2 hybridization, 4 sigma bond, sp3 hybridization. In particular lecture, we will discuss the types of the molecules, the inorganic molecules. What is that? Inorganic molecules as some of the molecules as on organic chemistry. Okay. So this is the actual part from this is the inorganic chemistry hybridization. So we know this what is the hybridization, the process. The process of mixing and recasting of atomic orbital. It may be same atomic orbital and different atomic orbitals, but having the equal energy level, है ना? So the equal energy level, the mixing and recasting. मतलब वहाँ पे mixing भी होगा, recasting भी होता है. So atomic orbitals of what? Atomic orbital. It may be similar or different, like that. S, P, D, F. Okay, this is a sp d orbital. So as a part of discussing this sigma bond होंगे, 2 sigma bond होगा तो sp hybridization होगा, 3 होगा तो sp2 होगा, 4 होगा तो sp3 होगा. So another fact, if the molecules having the cation or anions, मतलब charge है. For example, ऐसा हमारे पास molecule है NH4 positive, है ना? So what is the hybridization of such types of the molecules? What is the geometry? And another point is what is the bond angle of molecules. So what is the bond angle of the molecule? So these atoms, molecules having the central atom is nitrogen. Okay. So we know that outermost electronic combination NH2 NP3. Okay ना? So this is nothing but 5 electrons present in outermost shell. हमको ये पता होना चाहिए कि मॉलिक्यूल में, कंपाउंड में सेंट्रल एटम कौन सा है और उस सेंट्रल एटम का आउटरमोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है. इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको क्या निकालना है? हाइब्रिडाइजेशन निकालना है. तो ये मॉलिक्यूल है हमारे पास, इसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या होगा? आउटर मोस्ट शेल में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, तो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या होगा, है ना? सो दैट इज नथिंग बट हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. आई एम राइटिंग दिस वन ऑफ द फार्मूला 1/2 V plus m minus C plus A. So that is what V for the valence electron. V is nothing but valence electron. कितने valence electron है? m मतलब मोनोवैलेंट, m का मतलब है मोनोवैलेंट. जैसे कि हाइड्रोजन मोनोवैलेंट 1, हेलोजन 1. So that is nothing but कितने हेलोजन है? एक हेलोजन है तो 1 लेना है, 2 है तो 2 लेना है, 3 है तो 3 लेना है. That is the atoms is the monovalent. C for cation, C for cation and A for what? anion. तो यहाँ पे इसको याद कैसा करेंगे, है ना? तो मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रिप्रेजेंट यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखूंगा, है ना? V, M, C, A है ना। अब यहाँ पे देखो V plus m, मैं इसको ब्रैकेट में लिख रहा हूँ। सो दैट इज द व्हाट इज द फार्मूला फॉर द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इधर है ना। V प्लस प्लस की बात करेंगे है ना, तो ऊपर जाए है ना, प्लस माइनस अगेन प्लस, so that is nothing but V plus m minus C plus A, that is the formula V plus m minus C plus A. So that is the, on the basis of these types of the formula we can calculate or easily identify this what is the hybridization. तो इसका hybridization क्या करना है, so the formula is what 1 by 2 V plus m minus C plus A, V वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं 5, V plus m मोनोवैलेंस कितने हैं 4 एटम है, V plus m minus C कटाइन कितना है, कटाइन 1 है, so that is what -1 plus A 0, अनाइन कुछ भी नहीं है, so that is what 5 कितने हो गए यहाँ पे 4 minus 1 3, 3 plus 5 कितने हो गए 8 है ना, 8 by 2, this is nothing but what 4, so that is nothing but 4, that is what sp3 hybridization. क्या आएगा इसका hybridization, sp3 hybridization. So that is the shape as your term is on the basis of the shape of the molecule or the NH4 molecules. This is nothing but what tetrahedral shape. What can I say? Tetrahedral shape. This is like to the, it is isostructural with what methane molecule. It is isostructural बाबा methane molecules. So as according another types of the example अपन देख सकते हैं BeCl2 BF3 है ना, मतलब एक फैमिली में लेंगे दिस इज द लीनियर मॉलिक्यूल, देखो लीनियर मॉलिक्यूल कौन सा होता है, दिस इज नथिंग बट BeCl2 है, BeS2 है ओके ना, और उसके बाद BeF2 है ओके, this is the BeCl2 BeF2 again the linear molecules, which types of the molecules having the linear molecules, this is nothing but bond angle कितना होगा linear molecule का, so beryllium atoms, this is not a beryllium, chlorine atoms, here the chlorine, how many sigma bond, 2 sigma bond, what is hybridization, sp hybridization, how many lone pair 0, how many bond pair, one dot is not bond pair कितने हैं वो 2 bond pair, so that is nothing but 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, so that is nothing but sp hybridization. So the hybridization is the sp and bond angle is the 180 degree, so bond angle is the 180 degree. लीनियर मॉलिक्यूल है, बॉन्ड एंगल 180 रहेगा, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या है sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन है, इसका भी लीनियर है, ये भी लीनियर है और ये भी लीनियर है। इसका आगे एग्जांपल NO2 पॉजिटिव है ना, NO2 पॉजिटिव, so that is the nitrogen central atoms, this is the nitrogen contain the 4 electron, that's why it is the NO2 positive. So again what are hybridization, sigma bond, it is what are sp hybridization, sp hybridization, again molecule what are linear geometry, this is the linear molecules, sp hybridization. So on the basis of formula, इसका कैसा आएगा देखो 1 by 2 V वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना है 5 प्लस V plus m मोनोवैलेंट कुछ है नहीं, V plus m minus C 1 plus A 0, so that is what 4 5 minus 1 4, this is 2, that is nothing but what sp, this is what a 2, that's why this 2 is what is indicated sp hybridization, very simple. So these are linear molecules having the bond angle is what a 180 and this is the hybridization of the sp hybridized. Okay, so another example you will having this order BF4, you can say this is what a BS3 molecule, BF3 molecule. Okay, so this is nothing but boron trifluoride, I am writing this is the boron trifluoride. अब देखो यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे फ्लोरीन की है ना, बोरॉन फ्लोराइड BF3, so सेंट्रल एटम कौन सा है बोरॉन है ना, आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉम्बिनेशन क्या है 3, V plus m, the formula is that I am writing this order V plus m minus C plus A, so this is what a formula is that. Valence मोनोवैलेंट है 3 है, मोनोवैलेंट T प्लस माइनस कटाइन है नहीं, अनाइन है 0, कुछ भी नहीं, 1 by 2 that is nothing but 3 plus 3 6 divided by 2 3, it is nothing but 3 is indicated what sp2 hybridization, this is nothing but what sp2 hybridization. So this again say this is the bond angle is what 120 and this is what sp2 hybridization. So what is the shape of molecule here, what is the shape, this shape of molecule is what trigonal, this is nothing but what trigonal molecules, I can say trigonal, so that is nothing but trigonal planar geometry. Okay, so another example, this is the one family molecule, this is not sp2 hybridized carbon atom, sp2 hybridized carbon atom BF3 BeCl3 SO3 molecule like to that S double bond O double bond O double bond O. So how many sigma bond? 1 2 3 3 sigma bond is there. That's why the hybridization is sp2, and this is the bond angle is what? 120 degrees. So very simple. Okay, so these are the one family types of the molecules. Again the AlCl3 can like CO3 2 negative. अब example लेते हैं CO3 2 negative है ना, CO3. So I am writing this order CO3 2 negative. So this carbon atom CO3 2 negative का O negative O negative O negative. So this is like to again what a trigonal planar. So that trigonal planar sigma bond देखो 1 2 3 3 sigma bond. That's why hybridization of the sp2 hybridization. What hybridization? sp2 hybridization. आगे जाएंगे this what a BF4 molecule BF4 negative. So boron atom 3 1/2 monovalent 4 minus cation 1 anion कितना है 0 cation सॉरी anion क्या है cation minus anion this what a 0 plus 1 formula is that 3 plus 4 again 6 this what a 8 है ना, this 3 plus 4 plus 1 है ना 4 8 divided by 2, this is nothing but 4. It is indicated by sp3 hybridization. So that is what a sp3 hybridization. It is isostructural with what? Methane molecule. So it is a isostructural with methane molecule. So another types of the example we are going to this what a TeCl4. This is what a TeCl4. This is one of the molecule TeCl4. So that is the beryllium O-C-T है ना. So that is the family is what a, this is nothing but chalcogen family. NH2 NP2 NH2 NP what? NH2 है ना, boron carbon nitrogen oxygen. NH2 NP4. That's why 6 electron in outermost state. 6 electron in outermost state. 1/2 hybridization is that 6 electron and writing this what a 6 plus 4 monovalent 4 anion 0 cation 0. So that is nothing but 6 plus 4. This is the 10 divided by 2 5. This 5 indicated what? sp3. This what is operation is what? sp3d. 3 p और एक s और एक b. This is nothing but 5. The hybridization is what? sp3d. So very simple. Hybridization is a sp3d hybridization. So this what is the shape of molecule? I am writing this is the TeCl4 is that. What is the shape of this molecule? TeCl4. So beryllium. So that is one of the chlorine atom. This one is the how many chlorine atom? This is the thing what this is the lone pair of electron. So here, so this lone pair of electron because of this having this is the 6 electron. कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 और 7. क्या होगा? Cl TeCl4 है 1 2 3 4 है ना. TeCl4 O से 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन O 1 2 3 4 5 और 6 करेक्ट. ओके, तो यहाँ पे लोन पेयर कितने हैं? 1. बॉन्ड पेयर कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 4 बॉन्ड पेयर 4 plus 1 5. So that 5 is nothing but what? It is what? sp3 hybridization, sp3d hybridization. So what is the shape? This bond angle must be 180. This is more than 90 degree. This bond angle must be more than 90 degree. Due to this is the lone pair of lone pair is greater than the stability. I am talking here the stability of molecule. Lone pair is greater than lone pair bond pair, and this is the bond pair and bond pair. It is most important as I talk this on the basis of the stability of the molecule. Lone pair of lone pair it is greater than lone pair bond pair and bond pair. Such types of the due to these types of the stability of this molecule, lone pair bond pair here, bond pair. That's why this is the stable molecules and having the geometry is a seesaw. What is the geometry? Name of this is nothing but a seesaw geometry. What is the geometry? Seesaw geometry. Example next example. Cl again next example XeO2F2. And going to the next molecule XeO2F2. Xenon XeO2F2. तो ये मॉलिक्यूल हमारे पास XeO2F2. उसके बाद में हमको यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करना है ClF3 एंड वाटर BrF3. तो ऐसे एग्जांपल आपको क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में. TeCl4 हाउ मेनी लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाउ मेनी बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, व्हाट इज द बॉन्ड एंगल, व्हाट इज द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, व्हाट इज द ज्योमेट्री. ओके, सो दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स Xe कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? आउटर मोस्ट में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. ओके, सो दिस इज द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन 1/2 in bracket, so that is what 1 by 2 in bracket, so that what